Here's a simple, quick, and hearty recipe that will put a smile on any face. Sausage gravy is a traditional Southern breakfast dish in the United States. Though this is the classic Southern sausage gravy, we have updated it by exchanging the cornstarch or flour for xanthan gum. Xanthan is a gum produced by fermentation and used as a food binder or stabilizer. It is an important ingredient in gluten-free recipes and is primarily used in many types of commercial foods from ice cream to salad dressings. The cooking time is about 10 minutes and it will serve 4 people. For our ingredients you will need 1 pound or 453 grams of breakfast sausage, 2 cups or 473 milliliters of whole milk, 1/2 cup or 118 milliliters of heavy cream, that is whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of hot sauce. We use Tabasco sauce, you can't go wrong with that. 1/2 teaspoon of Cape Crystal brand xanthan gum, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. To begin, heat a large cast iron or non-stick skillet over medium to high heat. Add in the sausage and let them brown. Begin breaking the sausage up into small chunks. Cook until meat is no longer pink. This should take about 4 minutes. Then add in the milk, cream and hot sauce. Sprinkle a half teaspoon of xanthan gum over the ingredients and stir well to combine everything. Continue cooking and stirring until the gravy comes to a boil and begins to thicken. Then add in the black pepper. Once it is ready, serve immediately.